Hey there, welcome back to Hardy Brothers Outdoors. Josh Hardy here. We have an American pondweed issue going on in the pond right now. It has slowly increased over the years. I pretty much left it alone for a while, but it's continuing to spread. We've got a pretty good patch of it right now. So I'm taking my Chapin multi-sprayer, which I've added some Tsunami DQ. This is Diquat. So safety glasses and chemical gloves when you're using this stuff. This is some serious stuff, so PPE is very important. Same when using your surfactant. So I'm using Plexmate. It comes in a couple different sizes, and for this mixture I'm just using the small bottle right now. When I use the backpack sprayer, I usually pour from this one. So we got our mixture here. Let's go tackle and see what it looks like on the pond. Okay, so I talked to a pond expert today, and he told me that the most common mistake when treating pondweed is spraying and having the droplets go underwater. So we've got the surfactant in the Diquat in our pump sprayer. We've got it pumped up sufficiently, and I'm just going to try to get some large kind of raindrops to fall down and to settle on top of the leaves. We don't want it to go under, not too much pressure. And so got some duckweed in there as well. The Diquat will help kill the duckweed. And then I'm going to have to come back and do some treatment on the algicide here. First year we've had pondweed this bad. But it's been a very interesting year. Everything's growing like crazy this year, so both in the water and on land. Really mild year so far here in southeast Ohio. Definitely be mindful of your PPE. There's no wind right now, so it's kind of calmed down for the day. Got my gloves, got my safety glasses, and highly recommend you take this stuff serious. It could permanently blind you or create all kinds of issues. So we'll show a after picture to see what this looks like. All right, it's been 2 days. You can see how much of the pondweed has changed colors. It's no longer green. There's a few spots in there, but looks like we got it pretty good. So here we go. There's some green still in there, but a lot of the pondweed died from the last treatment, and I've got some floating algae that's still dying off from a recent treatment with Crystal Plex. So this is pretty close. We're gonna hit the rest of the green and get this raked out before the party starts next weekend.